Musamseleku accept Sne's situation. He accept that Sne never change. Even he can try to dump her, punish her. That girl never change. Last time Sne was pregnant with their second child, Macele and Musamseleku, they dumped Sne without food or giving her money. The person who was helping Sne is Mangwabe. Mangwabe says those words on season 8 that I helped you when Macele turn your back, what. So Macele now told Musamseleku that don't dump Sne because you have to accept your situation. Sne never changed. That's why Macele accept Sne, because on her pregnancy Sne was crying, because when Musamseleku is going to dump Sne was going to terminate that child. It was going to happen like that because she doesn't have a choice. So Macele was trying to protect the child, because what I saw, Sne, she was going to terminate because she doesn't have a choice. Sne dumped her son to try to impress Musamseleku, and now Sne was pregnant again. She knows that Musamseleku doesn't like it. That's why Musamseleku accept the situation. Even Sne doesn't think that maybe Musamseleku can accept, because what I saw, Sne, after telling Macele that she was pregnant, Sne was crying. Why she was crying? Because she knows Musamseleku is going to dump here, but Musamseleku didn't dump Sne, was trying to be a father, and Musamseleku accept his situation. Musamseleku accept that his kids are not the same. Sne, she is like she is, and she can never change, because Musamseleku accept that Sne can bring another child again. That's why you saw all the time, even she has her own child, Musamseleku was celebrating his birthday with Sne, doesn't have a problem. And Musamseleku says Sne stand with him during his sickness. That's why Musamseleku is supporting Sne. Macele told Musamseleku that you have to accept her as she is, because now, guys, the situation is worse. Musamseleku is a public figure. It's not like the same it is last time Sne was pregnant with her second child. Musamseleku was not popular like that, but now he is more popular. Sne, she can come on broadcast and say what she want to say about them. That's why Macele says if you want to protect your brand, you have to accept your situation, because after that Snake can came on public and look at those what humiliates, because Mangwabe says was helping Snake and Macele doesn't like that Mangwabe was helping Snake. And Mangwabe says Macele turned your back. Imagine, Macele didn't say anything about Snake's second pregnancy, but Macele behind the cameras, she turned her back and she doesn't want anything to do with Snake. Mangwabe was the one who was helping Snake behind the cameras. Maybe Macele did not know that Mangwabe can say those things on cameras, that I helped you when Macele turned your back. That's why Musamseleku accept that girl, because the situation can be worse now. The situation can be worse, and after that, Snake, when she is struggling, she can go on broadcast, and Musamseleku's reputation is being ruined. So he knows that he is a big celebrity. So there is no such a thing. Musamseleku have got a lot of money. He can take care of Snake's kids because there is no choice. That child is going to be Musamseleku's child. Imagine, guys, he doesn't have a choice, because Snake, she is different like other kids. Even this, she can repeat it again and again. There is no choice when it comes to that girl. So Musamseleku accept her situation, that Snake is like that. You know that Snake, she got pregnant 4 times, maybe because at the third pregnant, she says she had a miscarriage. We don't know what happened. That's why Musamseleku is avoiding that Snake can do something about that pregnant, or terminate the pregnant, or end up losing her life. That's why Musamseleku took that child, and he can accept the situation. They don't have a choice, Musamseleku and Macele, because most of the time Snake, guys, doesn't doesn't. You know that now Snatchy can go to the clubs and Maxwell is taking care of Snake's young child again.